Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone out there. This is Naz from Dynamic Learning. You must have probably heard this wonderful quote, "The eyes are the window to your soul." How true. Eyes broadcast emotions, and emotions are showcased in the form of actions. Whether you are aware of it or not, your eyes can speak volumes about who you are and what you feel. But could your eyes be sending wrong messages even? It's a matter of concern, right? Well, eye language is the message we send to others with the eyes. It can say tons about us, revealing our emotions, confidence, truth, action, and much more. Curious what your eyes are telling other people? Okay, so let's go into it deep. Firstly, let's commence with wink. Wink का मतलब है आंख मारना, which means close and open just one eye very quickly to share a secret or to convey friendliness. For example, I saw him wink at her. Know what I mean, she said with a wink. Secondly is blink, which means पलक झपकाना, जो naturally होता है, right? Yes, to open and close the eyes usually quickly and repeatedly. It happens automatically. For instance, we normally blink when someone clicks a pic. She had to blink back her tears before she continued her story. Third is roll. In Hindi, we say aankh ghumana, okay? To move your eyes upward or around in a circle as a way of showing that you are bored or annoyed after someone has done or said something. Well, don't roll your eyes at me. Just finish your work and leave. Now, fourth one is squint. Yes, it's squint, which means अधखुली आंखों से देखना. To close your eyes a bit because it's hard to see. For example, he had to squint his eyes to focus on the tiny letters. His eyes squinted as he came out of the movie hall. Moving ahead, fifth one is pop. Pop. Oh, sounds good, isn't it? Pop का मतलब है आंखें खुली की खुली रह जाना या आंखें बाहर निकल आना. Means eyes open very wide in surprise or excitement to indicate positive emotions. Expressively, women use it more often. Oh my God! Automatically, your eyes pop up. Next is ogle. Ogle sounds differently, right? Well, ogle का मतलब है आशिक नजर से देखना, which means to stare at someone in a luxurious or lustful manner. Let's take an illustration. He likes to ogle at the pretty girls. Undoubtedly, there are many more to go, so do catch up in the next part hurriedly.